In this video, I'm about to compare Bootstrap and Bulma. The pros of Bootstrap include its extensive library of pre-designed components and responsive grid system, making it easy to create professional and mobile-friendly websites quickly. Bootstrap is widely supported with a large community and plenty of documentations, which make troubleshooting easier. The cons of Bootstrap are that its predefined styles can be restrictive, making customizations harder without additional CSS. Some users also feel that many Bootstrap-based websites end up looking similar due to its recognizable design framework. The pros of Bulma are still lightweight, modern design and easy-to-use Flexbox-based grid system, which makes it highly customizable and intuitive for developers. Bulma's minimalistic approach allows for more unique designs without the Bootstrap look. The cons of Bulma that it has fewer pre-made components compared to Bootstrap, which may require more manual styling. Additionally, Bulma's community and resources, while growing, are still smaller than Bootstrap's, which may limit support options. Choosing between the two depends on your needs. Bootstrap is ideal for robust, quick-to-launch design with extensive components, while Bulma suits developers seeking more customization and modern aesthetic. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.